Japan has many detailed instructions when throwing garbage away. It will be uncollected if sorted improperly and will also become the cause of odor. No one would like this. So let's take a look at the basic rules of garbage disposal. How to separate and where and when to dispose are the two very important points to maintain a clean and hygienic living space for us all. Garbage must be separated properly according to type instead of squeezing it all into one garbage bag. Burnable, non-burnable, recyclable, bottles, and cans all go into separate garbage bags. A good understanding of how to separate garbage at your place is necessary, as minute rules and specified garbage bags vary. Having several trash cans will help you separate garbage easily. After collecting your trash, please bring it to the garbage disposal area, not just leaving it somewhere. Kindly check where your garbage disposal area is as soon as you move in. On the morning of the garbage collection day is when you put your garbage out in the garbage disposal area. You cannot put your garbage out too late, but putting your garbage out before the designated time is also unacceptable, since crows are everywhere seeking a chance to pick through the garbage. Garbage collection date differs by garbage type. It is clearly stated in the garbage disposal calendar distributed by your municipality regarding which garbage type will be collected on which day. No other garbage bag besides the designated one should be placed in the garbage disposal area on that day. Oh, make sure your garbage bag is tightly closed, too. There is a different way to dispose of oversized waste. First, contact your municipality in charge, as you might need to place a garbage disposal sticker when disposing oversized waste. After fixing the collection date, put the oversized waste in the designated area, and then your garbage collector will come pick it up. Please do not place your garbage anywhere besides the garbage disposal area or in time zones besides 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. And please do not throw garbage from your balcony or window. These actions are prohibited as it may lead to an unexpected accident or make your living environment very poor. And needless to say, it is truly annoying for others. For better understanding, please check your municipality's website for further details. Keeping the rules for garbage disposal is very important to maintain a clean and hygienic living space. Helping each other out will make a big difference, as the rules are difficult and complicated. The newly moved in are the ones who need the most help. Welcome all! Your new life in Japan has just begun.